So what are we doing?
Project Build 2020. What are we doing? Are we doing a rock crawler? Are we doing go slow? Or are we doing go fast?
Maybe we're doing a snow build.
Maybe we're doing a snow build.
Well, I don't know.
Snow machine.
Maybe it'd work in the
machine.
sand.
I think it'd work awesome in the sand. It'd be kind of cool. Maybe we should try it out. Or should we do a go fast machine like one of these? Okay, so I've been hankering for one of these new, the 2020 Mavericks with the bump up in horsepower. I love the idea of getting damn near 200 horsepower with no upgrades, just right out of the box, right? Like even a mild tune on that, we're gonna be killing it in the sand dunes. So I've been really hankering for one. I think it's time to do one. We're gonna do a full build. We've got HCR Arms for all the arm stuff. We're doing a cage. We're gonna wrap it. It's gonna be pretty dope. I think it's gonna be really fun. So we're starting off with a 2020 Maverick X3 XRS, just the base black model because we're gonna change all the colors on it anyway.
Plus, I don't know, that black looks pretty dang awesome anyway. Even if it stayed all black, it's a pretty good looking machine.
Once you go black, you change it up to gold and bronze. That's what we're gonna do. Let's figure it out. Let's go.
All right.
I'll just give it to us.
Once you turn it on, all the good features are here. So this is your DPS buttons. You used to just have to scroll through it. Okay. Any other questions?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Like everything else should be pretty much the same as what you're exposed to. So
Just more power.
yeah,
More power, baby.
lots more power.
Yeah.
Dude, I took a ride in there. Brandon let me drive his
Yeah,
last summer or whatever, and I could not believe how much faster it was.
it's crazy difference. Like
Yeah,
you wouldn't think it'd be that much, but
it's a lot. It's not, the 195 actually sounds or seems understated.
yeah.
It feels like a shit ton more power, so
Okay.
yeah, I'm excited.
You guys should be good, and then your owner's manual's in here just like before, and it'll give you that break-in period stuff and
Okay.
everything that's changed on it.
All right, awesome.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. See you guys next
See ya.
time.
All right.
See ya.
All right, we'll see you back in the shop. So much taller than the last one.
All right, load it up.